Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Laravel versus ASP. NetCore, two powerful frameworks for web development. Laravel, a PHP-based framework, is celebrated for its simplicity and speed, making it a favorite for many developers. On the other hand, ASP. NetCore, backed by Microsoft, offers a robust and scalable solution, primarily using C#. We will explore their distinct advantages and help you understand which framework might best suit your project needs. When it comes to performance, ASP. NET Core often has an edge, thanks to its compiled C# language and efficient resource management, especially for high-traffic applications. Laravel, built on PHP, is also performant with features like caching, but might need more optimization for extreme scalability. Both frameworks are highly scalable. ASP. NET Core is strong in vertical scaling, while Laravel offers excellent horizontal scaling capabilities, allowing you to distribute your application across multiple servers. The community and ecosystem surrounding a framework are vital. Laravel has a vibrant, active open-source community, providing numerous tutorials, forums, and a vast array of third-party packages. This makes learning and finding solutions quite accessible. ASP. NetCore, supported by Microsoft, also has a strong community, offering extensive documentation, enterprise-grade support, and seamless integration with Microsoft tools like Visual Studio. Both provide rich resources for developers. Choosing the right framework often depends on your project's specific needs. Laravel is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized projects, startups, and applications requiring rapid development, such as e-commerce platforms or content management systems. ASP. NetCore, with its robust features and scalability, is often preferred for large-scale enterprise applications, complex systems, and projects demanding high performance and security. Ultimately, your decision should align with your project's scope, team's expertise, and long-term goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.